Good morning. This is Lily Ramsden. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Well, I have found a cheaper way to start your crocheting journey. I found a $1.25 kit at Dollar Tree, and they didn't have but one. That store was picked over. It's vacation Bible school time, because when I walked up to the counter with all of my items, she said, vacation Bible school? And I'm going, no, it's a summer reading program. Okay, I took this apart. Oh, let's get rid of these. Well, we'll get rid of the whole thing. Well, yeah, we can. It says it includes a plastic needle, yarn, stuffing, crochet hook, and plastic beads. And by plastic beads, I think they're talking about the safety eyes. So we'll see, but it's only $1.25. It has everything you need to get started. And it's a cute little panda bear. So let's see what we have. We have stuffing. We have safety eyes and some, I guess that's embroidered thread. Okay, black yarn, white yarn, the needle. Oh yeah, the tapestry needle is in this little pack. So I'm going to attempt to crochet with this little hook instead of my normal hook. I'm going to try it. Maybe I won't break it. Maybe it won't be too hard on my fingers. But we have our pattern. We have a little bag to put our stuff back in. But for now, we'll just put it to the side and find our directions in English. Oh, the whole thing is English. How about that? So, make a magic ring. It's got all of, it shows you all the steps you need to make for different stitches. It has pictures the whole way. Front and back, it's filled with pictures. And it starts with making the panda's head. Panda body, panda head. There's legs, ears, arms, nose. Okay, panda head. This is, well, no. Let's start with making some legs. Okay. No, I'm trying to do this by the pattern. The pattern says crochet through the magic loop in the hand to pull back the top yarn. One single crochet to form the first knot. In every round after you crochet the first stitch, you put the marker in this stitch to help you remember where is the big round beginning. After 6 single crochet, now we can meet 6 knots. I'm really not sure what they're talking about, 6 knots. Pull the bottom yarn tight until 6 knots form a ring. that's tightening your magic ring. Make a slip stitch in the knot, the ring stitch maker, to close the magic ring, and then make 1 single crochet to start next round. Before you start to crochet every round 1 of each part, you need to create a magic ring first. We're going to start with the white yarn. Ooh, and this is some skinny yarn too, y'all. Okay, I'm going to need a place marker. Okay. Let's get our magic ring made. Put 6 single crochets into it. Oops, that's my, not supposed to be using here. Man, this is soft. Well, it's not soft, it's thin. I said the wrong thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull our magic ring tight, and it says 6 increases, and I need a stitch marker, a red stitch marker, and pink. Pink is short, so get us a stitch marker. Okay, we do 12 single crochets around, 2 single crochet into each stitch. Maybe if I throw that in the boot, it'll pull better. I don't know. Maybe. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm afraid I'm going to break that little thing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, move our stitch marker up. Okay, round 3, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nope, not pulling any better at all. I started the wrong way. That's why I'm having problems. Okay, so we're pulling from the outside, something I do not do. But we will now. Pop that on the inside. And we'll throw it back in here and it should work now. Yes, drawing just fine. Okay, nothing unordinary so far. So let's see which way it goes. Okay, row 4 is 5 single crochets in increase. Four, 5, increase. Not used to working with such thin yarn, but yes, this is doable. Most certainly is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. Okay, y'all. I attempted to record me sewing on the arms and the legs and the ears and the nose, but somehow or another it didn't take. But our bear looks just like his picture. So for $1.25 you can get started with amigurumi. And then when you're finished, you have your tapestry needle, you have your crochet hook, and you have your directions. Buy you some little tiny skeins of white and black if you want to make another one. Or you can buy different colors like brown. Make them all brown or make them all black, or give them a white eye and a black eye and a brown bear. Just change him up, make him however you want it to look. But that is a cute little bear. Very cute. I'm happy with this purchase. I don't know why anybody wouldn't. Now, I was afraid to use this needle. Now, it's flexible, so maybe I wouldn't have broken it. But I was just afraid I would, and it was just slowing me down because, well, like I said, I was afraid I'd break it. And I did not have much yarn left at all. It was not enough to show you. It was just, you know, scraps. So I did enjoy making this bear. He was fun. Well, it took me a couple hours because I'm old and I'm slow. But someone else could have probably done him in an hour, 2 at the most. And I really didn't see what time I started and what time I stopped. So let's see what time it is now. It is 5:30. 5:30, and I started the first video at 3:55. So it took me an hour and a half to make this bear. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.